Menta orang going video temang ini ya senam menta ka sa pick up sia bagan sepli ka channel temang menta ka kita LateTimer subscribe bukan orang
Pengaruh ke dana ni.
Let's go. Let's get to the video.
Russia mama, channel mata man.
Okay.
Channel mata man.
I'm a good singer. Young man,
Apa deh?
young man, there's no need to feel
I
down.
said, young man, pick yourself off the ground. I said,
Cause you're in a new town, there's no
need to be unhappy, young man.
there's a place you can go.
I said, young man, when you're short on your dough, you can stay there.
Yo, you will find many ways to have a good time.
Yeah, come on. It's fun to stay in the YMCA. It's fun to stay in the YMCA.
They have everything for young men to enjoy. You can have it all, the boys. It's fun to stay at the
YMCA.
Stay at the
YMCA. Hey, ho, ho,
Get
ho.
yourself clean. You can have good meal. You can do whatever you feel.
Young man, are you listening to me? I said, young man,
What do you want to be? I said, young man.
you can make real your dreams, but you got to know this one thing. No man does it all by himself. That's why I got this young man.
Put your pride on the shelf and just go there to the YMCA. I'm sure
They can help you today. It's fun to stay in the YMCA. It's fun to stay in the YMCA.
they have everything for young men to enjoy.
YMCA. YMCA.
You can get yourself clean. You can have a good meal. You can do whatever you feel. Yeah.
Young man, I was once in your shoes. I said,
Young man. Oh. Verklaren.
I felt the whole world was so jive. Someone came up to me and said,
Young man, take a walk off the street. There's a
place there.
Go to YMCA. They can start you back on your way.
YMCA. YMCA. They have everything for your men to enjoy. You can hang out with all the boys. I said it good, but
Young man, young man.
Nih. Poka.
Poka. Dibakar pisau.
Everything meant to enjoy.
The boys.
Nang tơi. Oh.
Okay. And toes.
Toes.
Mana asik mana. Itu. Okay. This is a new, this old song.
take the lead. Okay. Sing it! I want to break free. I want to break free. I want to break free from the lifestyle. Self-satisfied, I don't need you. I've got to break free. God knows I want to break free. I've fallen in love. I've fallen in love for the first time. This time I know it's for real. I've fallen in love. Yeah. God knows I'm falling in love. Strange, but it's true. Yeah, I can get over the way love me like you do, but I have to be sure when I walk out that door. I want to break free, baby. I want to break free, baby. I want to break free. Let's go. Get used to baby, can you stay? I've got to break free. I've got to break free. Stoolman! Yeah. I want